Hi, welcome to Shishak's Gaming. Today we will be unboxing Sony WF-1000X Mark IV. These are the newest ANC earbuds from Sony and I got it at around 18,990 offline Sony store. So yeah, 8 hours plus 16 hours with the case, industry leading noise cancelling, and the packaging looks flimsy, but yeah, I think it's environment friendly, so we will be opening it. Yeah, recycled paper, recycled cardboard. So in it we get some instructions, some booklets. Yeah, 360 reality audio, music service, free trial, some booklets, how to use it. We get a USB-C charging cable, extra tips, large and small, and the earbuds itself. So let's open it. Yeah, it's a very eco-friendly packaging, a good step from Sony. So yeah, let's open it, and yeah, these are the earbuds. They look beautiful, not a doubt about that. This must be the film which prevents charging. So yeah, now it's charging. So yeah, let me charge it up and then pair with my phone and show you the UI of the Sony headphones. But first, yeah, let's talk about these tips. These are not ordinary tips. These are foam based tips, not the average silicone based tips. Sony says that it helps to securely seal the earbud in your ear. Let's see. They have the medium size on by default, and you have the large and the small size for your size preference. So let me charge them up and pair them with my phone. So yeah, out of the box, the right is charged more than the left and the case is charged 41%. Okay, so here are the options. Adaptive sound control, I will make it on while using the app. Yeah, or you can register the locations from app also. So it is staying right now, showing staying. Sound, noise cancelling, ambient sound off, and takes in voices while suppressing noise. Speak to chat. System control, you can change the function of the touch control on the earbuds, like image sound control, playback control, volume control, and right, you can playback control, tap, double tap, triple tap, long press. So these are the various options you can use in the sound menu. Activity, it records your activity also. Information, you can use your tips. Information, version 8.3 update notice, latest software update is available. I will download it. So yeah, this is the unboxing and setup of Sony WF-1000X Mark IVs.